Manu Tayal from Energetica, India. Hi, this is Manu Tayal from Energetica, India, and today we are here at REI 2022, and with us is Mr. Chirag and Mr. Hardik from Rayzon. Hi sir, how are you?
Fine, I'm fine.
Perfectly. What about you?
Thank you sir, fine, I am also. Sir, first of all I would like to know, Rayzon was started in just 2017 around. So how is journey being from since then in 2022?
It's a very good journey. In 2017, we have just started with the 40 megawatt capacity, and then we have expanded to 150 megawatt. Then another 150 megawatt came, and total capacity was that time in 2019 it was around 300 megawatt. Then we came with the new major expansion like 1.2 gigawatt. Then right now we are having a capacity of 1.5 gigawatt.
Sir, can you brief us about the manufacturing facility?
Our manufacturing capacity is located in Surat, Gujarat. This is a mixed capacity with poly and multi-crystalline. We have a 600 megawatt of monofacial. Another 600 megawatt is coming with monofacial same, and we have a 300 megawatt with multi-crystalline.
So, what you are looking for, is there Indian market going towards bifacial or not very soon?
Yeah, it's going towards the bifacial modules. So we recently launched the bifacials modules, so you can see our products range over there.
So during this year, how's your experience?
It's this year is after duty, because of the sale price hikes and the duty came into the effect, the market was like a little bit lower.
It was little bit tough, but I think right now is market opening very well. Okay, so I think अभी से जो टाइम रहेगा वो बहुत ही बढ़िया रहेगा.
After 2 years of COVID.
So after a pandemic, it was a tough situation for everyone and every industrialist. Okay. बट कोविड के बाद जो हमने नोटिस करा पर्सनली कि लोग जो थे कि भाई जिसकी इंडस्ट्री मान लीजिए कि एक ह्यूज स्केल पर काम कर रहे थे, तो उसने भी छोटे छोटे कॉस्ट पर ध्यान देना स्टार्ट करा. सो सोलार की अवेयरनेस अगर हम बात करें तो आफ्टर कोविड काफ़ी बड़ी, हम पर्सनली ये फील करते हैं. सो कोविड तो सबके लिए एक मतलब बहुत ही ख़राब समय रहा, बट आफ्टर कोविड लोगों में जो अवेयरनेस आई या लोगों ने जो इनिशिएटिव लिए, दैट वाज वेरी गुड. सो कुछ चीज़ों में मतलब बहुत बुरा रहा, तो कुछ अच्छी चीज़ भी वो हमें सिखा के गया.
So what are your target customers?
So right now we are targeting the retailers and the EPC, the major EPC players.
Major EPCs and developers.
Rooftop and CNI?
Yeah, we are doing rooftops.
And utility as well. Utility as well.
Yeah, we are also doing utilities.
So can you name few of your customers in India?
Yeah, right now we are supplying Ampere Solar. Then after we are supplying Enrich Solar. Then after we are exporting to US also, and now we are focusing on European market also.
Government has implemented duties as well.
Yeah.
So how do you think this goes on? Is this effect, is this benefits you? Is the market doesn't change or what?
Like मतलब हमारे हिसाब से जो होता है वो हर एक सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं, कि जिसमें आपको बेनिफिट भी होता है, जो जिसमें आपको नुकसान भी होता है. तो दिस इज़ मोर लाइक कि भाई जहाँ से इफ़ यू कंसिडर कि भाई चाइना से मटेरियल आना बंद हुआ, तो इंडिया में रिक्वायरमेंट भी थोड़ी सी डाउन हुई जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कॉस्ट, द प्राइस हाइक. सो इट विल बी रैम्प अप. मेरे हिसाब से सिचुएशन हमेशा तो वैसी नहीं रहेगी, बट जो अभी तक का समय रहा वो थोड़ा सा टफ रहा आफ्टर लगाएंगे ड्यूटी. बट लेट्स होप कि ये मार्केट अभी थोड़ा सा सही हो.
So do you find some challenges as well while working as a company which is not very much older?
So right now we are not facing much challenges, but right now if we talk about the challenges, then the we don't have some raw materials produced in India, so we need to buy it from the Chinas and other countries. So we are hoping that in very near future, so we will have some, all the raw materials produced in the India.
How do you manage a cost pressure on you being a manufacturer from developer side?
It's very tough to manage a cost, but if we are in a like open market, so there's no other option that we have to manage anyhow with any cost. But still we are not આપણે શું કહેવાય ક્વોલિટીને છેડછાડ નથી કરતા.
Not compromise.
Yeah, but still we are not compromising with our quality. We are squeezing our margin honestly, and that's how right now we are surviving right now, and I think पूरी industry ही शायद वैसे survive कर रही है.
In which markets you export as well?
Right now we are exporting to US market. और अगर हम बात करें तो right now we are expanding to European market and as well as South American market. So उसमें हमें काफ़ी स्कोप दिख रहा है कि जहाँ पर एक अच्छा काम हो सकता है एंड हमें क्वालिटी कस्टमर्स मिल सकते हैं.
What is the difference between Indian market and when you go outside? Which market do you most prefer? Why?
So Indian market is basically, everyone knows it, this is a price driven market. Okay, people talks about quality, but end of the moment the matter is only with price. किसी को कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता आप क्या दे रहे हो क्या नहीं दे रहे हो, एंड ऑफ द मोमेंट सबको सस्ता चाहिए. सो यूरोपियन मार्केट इज़ द क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस मार्केट. वहाँ पे भी प्राइस के चैलेंजेस हैं, बट जो इंडिया में है उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. और इंडिया में भी मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि सब जगह ये चैलेंजेस है, बट द मोस्ट ऑफ द कस्टमर्स आर जस्ट आस्किंग द व्हाट इज़ द प्राइस. ओके, सो उस मुकाबले में यूरोपियन मार्केट और यूएस मार्केट जो है वो इंडिया से हम बेहतर कह सकते हैं. इंडिया इज़ ऑल्सो ऑन द पाथ ऑफ कि भाई जहाँ पे क्वालिटी काम जो है वो कस्टमर अभी प्रेफर करना मतलब स्टार्ट कर दिया. कस्टमरों ने क्वालिटी काम जो है वो लेना या मतलब क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स लेना स्टार्ट करा है. बट इट विल टेक आई थिंक
aware now.
या बट इट विल टेक लिटिल बिट टाइम मेरे हिसाब से. तारू શું કહેવું છે है ना?
Sir, you have started from 2017. How is your growth journey in terms of revenue?
So first year we did
only 1 crore.
yeah, in 2017 we did a 1 CR. Then next year we did a 22. Then next we did a 41, yeah 42. Then we did 132 CR. Then last year we closed at 164. And nowadays we already crossed the
right now we already hit I think 210. And
so this year we close around 700.
700 to 800.
You are planning to invest further in this?
In this, yeah. Right now we are planning to expand our capacity by 5 gigawatt by 2025, and we are also planning for 500 megawatt cell line by next year.
So, would you be planning something like other than module and cells, and would you be interested to going towards wafers, ingots, and other things as well?
Let's see. Right now we don't have any plan, but let's see.
Let's see.
We can do.
How much you are completely manufacturing in India? Can we say it completely made in India, or you have to some things imports and assemble also?
No, we are completely making made in India, but we need to procure some materials from the other countries like China and Vietnam, Taiwan.
For that also you have to depend on China.
Yeah.
Right
So
now I think we are importing 60%.
that's what I told before, that we don't have a major capacity to produce the cells, EVAs, backsheets and all other raw materials.
75% तो तेरा આપણે import જ કરીએ. 75% शायद हम मटेरियल इंपोर्ट करते हैं. 25% we are buying from India.
Is there any possibility कि other than China you can import from other markets as well, like US or Europe, or they are also dependent on China?
So they are also depending on the China. We can say that like that because they also don't have the capacities to produce the raw materials.
For machineries?
So for machineries,
Same thing.
Same thing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.